Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, let's talk about the bonuses which I have to offer. So we are going to give you three bonuses which you can see on your screen. So the number one bonus is going to be free lifetime email autoresponder. And then second is grab cash jacking free copy. And the third one is forex profit machine beginner's guide 11,000 words ebook. Okay. I will explain these one by one. Before that, make sure you watch the video till the end because after this review in this video, I am going to explain or talk about the methods which I personally use to make money on the internet, my personal methods. Okay, so make sure you watch the video till the end. And now if you go and buy this product for which we are doing the review using my link below, which will be saying grab copy here. So that will take you to the sales page. If you go and buy this product using my link below, you will get these three bonuses. Okay, so number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponders. So sign up here and then you will be able to start doing email marketing. You can grow your email list for free and send emails for free for lifetime. Okay, so go and get the first bonus if you buy from a link. Second is kiss jacking free copy 2 hours video training. So if you go below my video again, it says here, right here, grab kiss jacking. So if I click on this is a training program which I sell separately. But if you buy this product, you do not have to pay for it. Okay, I'm giving you this as a bonus. Okay, I sell this separately, but if you go and buy this product using my link below, it says grab copy, then you will get kiss jacking absolutely for free. What is kiss jacking? It is a 2 hours video training in which you will learn how to do what I am doing on YouTube right now or what others are doing. Meaning, if you want to make these reviews and make sales and make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, then you will know exactly how to start on YouTube absolutely for free. Okay. So get your case tracking copy absolutely for free. And the third one is Forex Profit Machine. In case you are curious about learning trading Forex, okay, then this is your 11,000 words PDF, which you can download and read. It is totally for newbies so that you can get an idea what this industry is if you do not know anything about Forex trading, okay? So you will get these three bonuses if you go and buy from me. So let's do a quick recap. First of all, watch this video till the end so that you can know my methods which I personally use to make money on the internet. And then if you go and grab the copy using my link below, so you will find the link of the sales page most probably in my every video. If not, then it's okay. So go and grab the copy using my link below to get access to these bonuses, free email, free lifetime autoresponder, then kiss tracking copy, and then this 11,000 words PDF about Forex trading as a beginner. Okay, and I will send you the link of this document and then you will be able to access all the bonuses at once. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can always email me. If you are able to, if you have any difficulties in accessing your bonus after the purchase, you can always email to me. Okay, so now let's go and start the review. All right, guys, let's do this OTalker AI review. So right now we are on the sales page, which is not finished yet because this product is launching on 6th of June. I'm doing an early review. So the sales page is coming soon, but we have enough information to recommend you this product. And also we have the full demo video for 3 minutes long. So we can see the demo video to find out if we need this or not. So OTalker AI build unlimited AI talking object videos that work 24/7 and generate up to this much per day on autopilot. World's first AI powered app that instantly turns any image, product or object into a studio quality talking video in 50 plus languages with hyper realistic lip sync, multi-object conversation and cinematic object, all from a single photo template or one line idea. So we'll see the demo video, then you will understand. Okay, and to get to the sales page, you will find the link below my YouTube video. So below my YouTube video, the first link will be saying grab OTalker AI copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page once this is live. Okay, so it is going live on 6th of June. So if you click today, the sales page might not be live. So my link might not be working today, but they will work on 6th of June. Okay, and also below my YouTube video, you have this thing called check out all my Warrior Plus products. So if you click here, you can also see my AI products which I have launched or I will be launching in the coming future. Okay, so I'm launching this review to Profit AI on 5th of June. Go and check this out. This will help you if you want to make some affiliate commissions and affiliate reviews, stuff like that. Okay, So go and check out my launch coming on 5th of June, and more will be coming in the future. So first link will be saying get or grab OTalker AI copy, and if you want to check out my launches, you can use this link, and we'll talk about these things in the end. So coming back here, as it says that it can turn any object into talking robot, I guess. Okay, so let's go ahead and play the demo video first of all. So I will mute the sound because I can't play the sound in my YouTube video because my YouTube channel is monetized. But let's log in and see how you can use these things. So once you log in, you go to my videos, I guess. These are the videos which are already generated, generated by the software. These are like 3 5 seconds your social media videos, face like a pizza, and it can have voice as well. I have muted the sound. You can watch this demo video on the sales page on 6th of June, okay, before you buy. So this is fried chicken and she's broken heart, and these will be viral on social media. These will get viral on social media, Mr. Broccoli. And I think it's very engaging. We don't know where the world is heading because AI. I don't know where will AI stop. They just keep coming. You can't imagine what can be done using AI. Is it good or bad? I will leave it up to you. It's bad for environment. It bad. The AI is bad for our planet. That's for sure because to generate all these things we need massive power supply, electricity, and you need data centers across the planet. In your country, in my country, we need data centers. Okay, so that will produce heat, and that's not good for the planet earth or for any planet for that matter. So here you type in their story or your command, whatever your theme is, and then the video will be generated using that image. So these are the done for you videos already, but you will be able to see so this is the bone. They have taken the example of a bone and saying don't forget to take your calcium. So let's generate the video for that so that the bone can tell you that, you know keep up with your calcium levels. So let's play. There you go. Very good, very good, very engaging, I would say. Whether you use TikTok, Instagram, or Snapchat, I don't know what else do we have on this planet. You are on social media. You can, of course, utilize these things to grab attention, grow audience, get traffic. I think normal reels and everything, they are the past now, and AI is the present. Reels and videos are the past. AI is the present, and God knows what will come in the future. Nobody knows. Okay, it will just go to the next level in next 5 years. It will just go to the next level, and that is the end of this era, I guess. So that's it. If you want to buy this OTalker AI, go and grab the copy using my link below, and just go and explode on social media. Go and take over social media. Okay. I think we're nearly done with the demo video. And by the way, you can watch this demo video with voice when you come to the sales page on 6th of June, I guess. Okay, by now, the sales page is not finished yet. So these are those done for you, videos already done. And you can use any image, any object, and turn them into these speaking videos. And they have nice quality audio. I have heard that. You will also hear that when the sales page is live. Okay, are we done? Yes, we are done. It's coming back, right? So I think let's talk about the pricing and the OTOs. Let's see. I think this will cost you $17 to start with, yes, but I'll give you a discount. So use the discount coupon Talk3, and that will give you $3 discount. So you can get the front end in only $14. Okay, so use the discount coupon and get it in $14. And then we have these OTOs, OTO 1, 2, 3, 4. 6, I guess. How many? 197. So let's see. Front end 17, OTO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 OTOs. Okay, pick and choose. When you will go to the OTO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you will get to know what exactly you're paying for, because in front end, we know that you will not be getting everything unlimited. It's common sense. So you're not going to get everything unlimited in $14. So be ready to pay extra if you want some unrestricted rights or some unlimited rights. Okay. So go ahead, grab this OTalker AI. I like it. I like it. Go and buy from my link below, and also you will get the bonuses which we discussed in the beginning. Okay. I am launching my review to Profit AI on 5th of June. So if you want that, then you can check out all my Warrior Plus products and grab this as well. And now let's go ahead and talk about how to make money. In how do I make my money in my online life using these links. So watch the video till the end. All right, guys, now let's quickly talk about the methods which I personally use to make money online. And below the video, you have to go and check out these links. So this link which says swing like a pro. So if you click on that link and then follow the instructions, you will come to this page right here. So this is forex trading. Not everybody does that. I do it. So in case you want to try forex trading, you can click on that swing like a pro link and come to this page and watch these videos one by one. These are short videos, 2 minutes long, to see how this works or how can we make money with this. And if this is something which you want to try, then you can join my mentorship program. That's method number one, which I do. Not everybody does. Okay. So second link is saying make money on YouTube. So when you click on the second link, then follow the instructions and you will be on this page after that. It is Traffic Jarvis. So your free traffic on YouTube. Because when you come on YouTube, you can make money in multiple ways. You can make money by getting your YouTube channel monetized. For example, when you saw some ads in my video, I make a little bit of money because my YouTube channel is monetized. How you can do that? You can get 1,000 subscribers or these days 500 subscribers, I guess, but you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just within a month if you follow this training program, and you will get your YouTube channel monetized just within a month, so that YouTube starts paying you for people who will watch the video and the ads. Okay, so you can see I have made this kind of money just by making these videos where people have seen my videos, nothing buying, no nothing. Okay, and also you can go ahead and make sales. For example, you record YouTube videos, and when somebody will buy something from you, then you make sales using free YouTube traffic. Okay, so if you want to go and make a full-time career on YouTube, go and check out this Traffic Jarvis. And then third link says get 100 email leads per day. So this system will give you 100 email leads per day, and you can email them once every day, and you can sell them anything you want, or you can sell them this system itself. For example, if I show you, this is the system I have been using, and I had been making recurring commissions for the number of years, as you can see, never ending. Okay, so if somebody will buy the system from you, you make commissions every month reoccurring. Okay, on top of that, you get 100 email leads per day, and you can email them any offer of your choice. Okay, whatever you want to promote or sell, you can do that, right? So again, go and grab the free bonus email autoresponder here. So let's do a quick recap. We have done the review already. Okay, if you want to try trading, then you can click the swing like a pro. If you want to make a full-time income on YouTube, then click this second link, make money on YouTube, come to this page and grab Traffic Jarvis. If you want 100 email leads per day and email them once per day, anything which you want to sell, then click on this link and join that program right here. And as I told you in the beginning, go and grab your bonus free lifetime email autoresponder by clicking on this link. And if you buy from my link, you will get that kiss shacking bonus we discussed, because kiss shacking is a separate 2 hours of training, as you can see on YouTube. Okay, so if you want to get these bonuses, free email autoresponder and my free 2 hours kiss shacking training, then go and buy this review which we have done. Go and buy this product using my link somewhere here. And that's all for it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.